Good morning, more like good afternoon, everyone. You're watching Sprocket69, and today we are going for a test ride to Ultraviolette new electric motorcycle. Now before saying that, you're like, why am I riding an electric motorcycle all of a sudden? Have electric motorcycles become fun? Or how are they? I just really want to know how they are. Like, are they this responsive? Can they do this? I need to see that, because a lot of hype is going around these Ultraviolette new motorcycles. So yeah guys, Nitrous Monkey is here. I was been waiting for him for like 2 minutes already. So yeah, from here we are going to go to that Ultraviolette showroom, and yeah, I'll see you guys when we reach there. So yeah guys, we have reached the Ultraviolette showroom. Hope not my back is not dirty because I don't have tail tidy. So yep, this is the Ultraviolette showroom. You can see there are the EV bikes which are standing next to me, and there's the Nitrous Monkey's bike. Okay, let's go inside the showroom. Let's see how it is. Yeah, hopefully have a good experience. Inside of the Saidapet Ultraviolette showroom, they also call it as a space station here, because their motorcycles do look like it's like out of space. You can see. So yeah, these are a couple of models from different colors. My personal favorite is this color over here, fully blacked out. Looks really nice. And yeah, there's even a yellow color option over there if anyone wants to, you know, be a little bit unique on the road. There's a yellow option. There are all the options. They have blue, they have white, they have black, they have yellow, they have red, and they also got a cafe here. If you want coffee, you can have some. And some appeals and accessories that they have over here. And Nitrous Monkey is modeling for the bike over there. Say hi. Oh, they even have panniers and all as accessories. You can buy clothes and all from here. Everything. It's a small showroom, but they got everything that you need. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm sitting on the bike and when I'm on the test ride. I am on the Recon, F77 Recon. Yep, this is the test ride variant of the bike. So yeah, let's see. And I'm currently on the most linear mode. It's the glide, and Nitrous Monkey is with me on the SuperStreet. So yep, let's get going. Let's see how it is. There is no clutch. It feels weird. Going. The power is linear. It's a very linear pull. I think they have made it that way to keep it linear. So as of now, this feels kind of good. my hands are going for the clutch and there's no gear. It feels so weird, but oh boy, is it fun. It is fun, not gonna lie. This is first time experience. I have never ridden an EV before. This is my first time riding one. How do you like it? Is it good? This feels very weird. There is no clutch and then no gears, right? Yeah. You?
Combat.
Huh?
You're in combat and you like it already.
Yeah.
Ballistic go.
I am in combat. Yeah, let's put it in ballistic. Let's see how does it work in ballistic. So I have kept the mode in the most highest mode possible. It's in ballistic. Let's see how it is. It feels like my Duke 390. The pull is just like my Duke 390 on the ballistics. Just like my Duke 390. Please wait. Thank you. And where did he disappear? So many people on the motorcycle. This currently feels like a scooter on steroids, but not as in a perspective of bad way. How can I put this in words? Like, if you know how to ride a scooter, you can ride this motorcycle. That's what I would say. But obviously, do not do that. Ballistic mode is quite fast, so you won't be able to handle that if you are coming from a scooter. Let's take this. That guy's raw reaction. Okay, he's here waiting for me. So I am now on the SuperStreet. The layout is different. So yeah, much more comfortable. This feels like a Duke. That felt like an RC. No wonder he was doing filtering so easy, because this can do it. It's all upright. So yeah, this thing feels good. Man, idiots on the road, I swear. 1 second you get distracted, something bad happens. Why are there so many gravels on the road, man?
Wanna really?
It's not our bike. Got 119, 120, 123. Okay, was able to pull till 123. That's it. And here we are to the Ultraviolette showroom. And kill switch. And the bike is off. Yep. So that's it. That was the ride. I hope you guys liked the ride review. The SuperStreet and this one, the Recon again, F77. F77 it says. This is the F77. That's the SuperStreet. So yep, this bike was more cool to ride. That was more practical to ride. So signing off with Mitros Monkey over here. Video. I hope I did not make it too long with the test ride. Until then, keep liking my videos, sharing them, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, do whatever you have to. Nitros Monkey is never going to learn the indiscipline.